Rightio. So we are here at Waves Carlton Braddon. We have an Istobal 40C tunnel right here. Starting off with our pre-soak. Apologies for the music. We have our first set of side brushes right here. Alongside our wheel and door cell washers, which are going right now. Second side brushes are going. Number one is going on now. There it goes. Second top brush will go now. Lock panel brushes are going. Second top brush has started up. Change directions. Now waxing and spot free rinse. Onto the dryers, which are right here. Pretty good job. So yeah, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next episode. Goodbye.